Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're diving into the world of AI art generation as we compare two heavyweights, MidJourney 6 versus dall-e 4. If you're interested in creating stunning digital art using AI, this showdown will help you figure out which tool is best for your creative needs. Let's kick things off with MidJourney 6. Known for its artistic flair, MidJourney continues to impress with its ability to generate highly detailed, visually striking images. With the latest version, MidJourney 6 brings more realism and precision to its creations. It excels at producing artwork with intricate details, vibrant colors, and stunning textures. Whether you're designing for a project or just exploring your creative side, MidJourney 6 offers a great balance between artistic freedom and refined control. One of the key advantages is its ability to produce images with a unique signature art style, making it perfect for digital artists and designers. Now let's talk about dall-e 4. Dall-e has been a leader in AI-generated images, and its fourth iteration takes things to another level. Dall-e 4 is known for its ability to generate highly imaginative and creative art. Whether you're asking for a surreal landscape or a completely abstract concept, dall-e 4 can handle it. The real magic happens with its inpainting feature, where you can edit parts of your image and allow dall-e to generate new sections seamlessly. Dall-e 4 also benefits from open-ended prompts, giving you a more free-form creative process, especially if you're after something unique or unusual. So, what's the final verdict? MidJourney 6 is perfect if you want highly detailed, artistic images with a particular style and feel. dall-e 4, on the other hand, is the tool to go for if you need more creative flexibility and want to experiment with unconventional ideas. That's it for today's AI Art Showdown. Which tool do you prefer for generating your digital masterpieces? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this comparison, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any future content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.